What is good, everybody? It's your guy Rez, and I am back again with y'all for another episode of Joshin Around. What's up, people? So I have some new pickups in this video that I want to share with y'all, and man, I gotta say, this one right here, guys, is a hat haul. A lot of this stuff started to sell out very quickly, so I am super glad that I decided to place an order on this, haul that I'm about to share with you guys, because it's shortly after I placed the order, stuff started selling out quick, and you can't even find a lot of this stuff anymore on the website. It's gone. But before I share with you guys what I picked up, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that like button on this video. Also ring that bell notification. As soon as I post anything, you guys will be updated if you hit that bell. As you could see, man, I'm all decked out in my Green Ranger gear right here. Probably gonna give it away, so you guys have a good idea of what to expect in this video, and then also looking at the thumbnail, of course. All right, guys, so the first hat that I want to share with y'all is this dope one right here. As you can see, this is made by New Era. It's such a dope hat. As you can see, it's got that like nice like 90s splatter, like acid, like jeans look right here, as you can see, but it's super retro, as you can see, with that vibe. You got the Mighty Morphin on the front right there, the logo, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, and then you have the New Era flag right there in that like gold yellow, and it's a snapback, but it's kind of got that that curve right there, so super fire. I really like this hat a lot. As you can see, it's super dope, fits my head really well, it's adjustable. So this is a super dope one right here, guys. I had to pick this up as soon as I saw it on the site, and this sold out, I believe. So really dope hat right here, snapback, still brand new with tags, and this is hat number 1 from this haul that I want to share with y'all. All right, hat number 2, ladies and gentlemen, is another similar style to the one I just showed you, but this one right here, as you can see, is a different design. So on the front of the hat, you got that infamous Angel Grove right there, which is pretty much this fictional city of the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger realm right there, and it says California Angel Grove because that's where the fictional city was based out of, California. And as you can see right there, you got the juice bar logo right there, man. Come on, if you're a Power Rangers guy and grew up, or girl, and grew up in the 90s, you gotta know where this logo is from, man. It's super dope. As you can see, you have that nice little patch that says Angel Grove Gym and Juice Bar Youth Center. So you guys, it just takes me back, man. I wish Ernie was here, when I was wearing this hat. But shout outs to this hat and New Era for really kind of bringing back my childhood a little bit with this pickup right here. Super dope. It's just really cool because you have like the Angel and the Grove, that's like all the different colors of the Power Rangers, and you have the lightning bolt right there, the Thunderbolt. All right, hat number 3, y'all, is this dope one right here. It's still in the baggie, unsealed, and this one, this is not a snapback, however it is a fitted, and it's a really dope fitted, as you can see right here. It's another retro vibe hat. So you see you have the Mighty Morphin logo on the front. The base of the hat is primarily blue, as you can see, with a gray underbrim, but like, look at that logo, man, just with that green, that like neon green right there, just super vintage, just like the original logo. And as you can see on the side, has all the Rangers minus the White Ranger, of course, but you have all 6 Rangers right there in the front, and super dope, super dope. I like the embroidery, and on the back you have again the thunder or lightning bolt of the Mighty Morphin logo right there. This is a fitted, guys, 7.5, which is my preferred size for fitteds. So I could do a 3/8 as well, so if they did sell out in a half and they had a 3/8, I could pull that trigger as well, but I like 7.5 because it fits my dome a little more comfortably. But this is super fire right here. All right, hat number 4, people. We are moving along pretty quickly here, but this one I wanted to share with y'all. This is a super dope one. A very interesting style for me personally, for my taste, and you'll see why. So this hat right here, look at that freaking logo or that design on the front, man. You just have an iconic Tigerzord, Dragonzord, and you kind of have that like horizon background. Almost reminds me of like a Japanese like look. It makes sense just because Mighty Morphin was they used Japanese footage. Power Rangers was originally Japanese, and America just kind of took their own spin on it. But this is a super dope design nonetheless, as you can see right here. Now this is the part where I said it's a different style for me, because if you look on the side, you also have that like nice panel right there of the half and half of the White and Green Ranger, which is pretty much Tommy, all the characters he played in the Mighty Morphin series. But if you look here, like, you have like that trucker hat style, with the mesh and stuff. I'm not really particularly a fan of this style because when I have like, you know, short hair, they tend to pop out, you know what I mean, like my hair and stuff. Like I was just never really a fan of this style, but I made an exception just because of the logo right there on the front, man. It is just beautiful, you know, and I'll make it work. It's not like I can't wear this at all, but as you can see, this is a snapback. You have the snap right there on the back. You have this nice red New Era flag with the white outline, and then, you know, super dope, man. So I'm in love with this hat right here. This one is one of my personal favorites, and I think this is like one of the few style hats that I have with this like trucker hat style. But like I said, man, you know, I'll make it work with this dope design. All right, guys, and this hat right here, this one was a banger. This one actually sold out. It was one of the first hats to sell out from this drop, but you know, I wanted to pick this up, and I'm glad I did. And this one is another snap, guys. As you can see, this is super dope. Like the other one that I just previously showed you, this is a snapback, and you see that like dope design right there with the White Ranger and the Green Ranger, which is Tommy. So Tommy is pretty much my favorite Mighty Morphin Power Ranger, next to Jason, the Red Ranger, of course. But you know, Tommy, man, the Green Ranger was always my favorite as soon as he popped up into the scene. You have that dope design right there, kind of like with the power coin with half of the Dragon and Tiger Zord. As you can see the Green Ranger helmet right there, and then you have like that nice embossing embroidery of the White Ranger on the other side of the hat. So this is a really dope one. And then if you look at the back, legendary, and super sick. On the side panel of the hat, you have the Lightning Thunderbolt from the Mighty Morphin logo, and then you have a gold New Era flag right there. So this hat is super dope, man. This is really nice, you know. I really like this hat a lot, especially considering, you know, I'm a big Green Ranger fan, and you know, like pretty much green is my favorite color. I got my favorite color as green from two things: the Ninja Turtles, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and the Green Power Ranger, Tommy. So if you guys are wondering, if I do a little trivia on myself, you're getting some answers right now, so take notes. This one right here is another Green Ranger banger and White Ranger banger. As you can see, I know you're like, what? That's two hats. Well, this hat, guys, it's two hats for a reason, because it does have a split design. This is a fitted by New Era. This is a really unique hat as well. You know, I know that split design a lot of people are not fans of because they say it's too much. Well, I think they're allowed to do too much for this whole hat right here, this design. I love the concept. Obviously, guys, if you don't know, Tommy the Green Ranger, he also played the White Ranger in the same Mighty Morphin franchise, so it only makes sense that they would do the double feature right there, as you can see. And it goes really well with my shirt, as you can see, because of the white outlines, even though this is primarily a Green Ranger shirt. But look at that, man. You have that power coin right there with the dragon and the tiger, you know, and the green and the white. Makes sense. Super fire, New Era flag, and then on the back, again, you have the Lightning Thunderbolt. And this is just a really dope hat, man. Definitely looks like Oakland A's vibes, you know, so you could probably mix and match with the jersey combo wombo, like my homie Mighty says. But, you know, you can wear this with a lot of different things, you know, if you really coordinate your fits accordingly. But, man, you know you got to rock this if you're a huge Tommy fan like myself. All right, guys. And, of course, if you are not a Green Ranger fan and you're a White Ranger fan, I think you'll appreciate this hat right here. This one, I was kind of hesitant, but I picked it up just because I'm a Tommy Oliver fan. But this one, guys, as you can see, is an all white hat. And this, if you want to just rep the White Ranger power, this is the perfect hat for you. So, you know, I gotta be extra careful with this hat because I don't want to get it dirty, and I'm horrible when trying to keep my hats clean, especially my worn hats. But this is an all white, a Coke white right there, as you can see, the White Ranger hat. And it is super fire, man. So if you like to keep your outfits clean, if you want to stay like clean on your dome, you know, this is the perfect hat to wear right here. This is an all white hat, you can see, but you have the White Ranger logo right there, the coin, you know, of the Tiger Zord, as you can, that's embroidered on the front. 7.5, made by New Era, gray underbrim, and you have a black New Era flag right there. And, you know, of course, you have your traditional Thunderbolt, Lightning Bolt of the Mighty Morphin right here. So this is a really dope hat. I'm probably not gonna wear this one as often just because I really don't want to like get this hat super dirty. So I'm gonna try and do my best to try and keep this preserved as long as I possibly can because it is such a dope hat. All right, guys, so we have two more hats that I want to share with y'all, and I think I'm just gonna share them all at once because these right here are my childhood. So as you can see, I'm taking out my hat right here, but I wanted to feature these two hats. And as you can see, these two iconic colors right here are basically my childhood growing up. So as you can see, I'm wearing, or I was wearing, the New Era Mighty Morphin Green Ranger hat right here. And then of course, you have the iconic original Red Ranger, or original leader of the Pact right here, Joshin. So, you know, these two colors and these two Rangers that clashed it out, man, this was my childhood. I remember seeing for the first time in, you know, the American version of Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, you know, Joshin going up against Tommy, that epic battle right there. But man, I had to get these just, you know, so I could own these in my personal collection. These are both really beautiful hats, you know, but as you can see, the Tommy, you have the green base with the Dragonzord coin right there, the embroidery. Then of course you have the Thunder Lightning Bolt right there on the side, and then you have the New Era flag right there in that green. And then of course, just like that, you have the Tyrannosaurus right there of the power coin. This is a fitted. And then you have iconic Bolt right there. Then you have a black New Era flag. So these are like Christmas colors, man. But yo, man, this is just, this takes me back, man. Like, I can't tell you how much, like, if you grew up in the 90s like myself and you grew up watching Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, it don't get any more nostalgic than these two colors and two hats right here. Whew. All right, guys, so that was a huge haul that I wanted to share with you guys real quick. You know, I'm gonna be wearing these a lot, so expect to see me wearing these in some of my future vids and stuff like that. But that's pretty much gonna wrap it up in this hat haul right here. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to the folks over at New Era for dropping this collab right here. You know, a lot of these hats, you know, there was a lot more in this drop. I'm not gonna lie, I picked up a huge amount of hats from this haul, but there was other designs and styles that I did not pick up. You know, they had like all the Rangers, you know, they had yellow, blue, black, pink. Though I think those are the only ones I didn't pick up. And then they had a couple of other ones. They had like a Megazord one. I went super ham with this video, and I had to like cut back with like my haul because, you know, it was not cheap. I'll tell you that, it was not cheap. But share your thoughts in the comment section below, man. Let me know what you guys think about the New Era / Mighty Morphin line. Did you guys pick up everything, or did you guys pick up anything at all? Did you guys know about it? You know, I didn't know about it initially, you know, so I do want to give a huge shout out to the homie for really just DMing me on Instagram and letting me know about this haul. By the time I would have found out, this stuff would have been gone already. So shout out to the homie, you know who you are. Also, if you're a fan of Power Rangers, let me know who your favorite Power Ranger was growing up as a kid. You know, for me, it was Joshin the Red Ranger, and then when Tommy made it into the scene, I was like, ooh, this is a close one, man. But Tommy gets a slight edge just for me, just because he was just super iconic, man. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna head on out of here because I am sweating bullets. But before I go, I just want to say it's Morphin time, y'all. Peace.